So I get messages about Starlink restriction from time to time from you guys, and I just want to let you guys know that there is no one way to resolve a Starlink restriction issue. Your Starlink might be restricted because maybe you moved the device from a region that you bought it into a different country, or you sold it to someone else, or you sold it to another region, and because it's another region and you didn't log into your dashboard to update your address to the new one, that's why it's restricted. It might also be restricted because maybe Starlink required you to do an NIN or ID verification, but you did not upload your ID, you did not do a verification, and because of that, maybe 30 days has passed or something, you still haven't verified your account or your Starlink device, and because of that it's restricted. It could be because you purchased a plan and you exhausted that plan, but you did not renew your Starlink and you need to renew. That's why it's restricted. It could be because Starlink detected fraudulent activities with your device. Maybe you were downloading some things you were not supposed to download and they emailed you about it and told you to stop, but you didn't check your email or you didn't stop, and that happened. It might be because there are so many reasons, so many excuses that I could come up with, right? But these are not just excuses, these are experiences of people. And one of the ones that has been prevalent recently is the ID verification, NIN verification thing, which thankfully a lot of people have been able to verify their NIN. It turns out that a lot of people were not able to verify their ID initially because NIN was having issues, but that is sorted now for most people. Thank God for that. So if your Starlink mini kit or standard Starlink device is restricted right now, my advice would be to check your email first, see if you got an email from Starlink stating why your account was or your device was restricted or is restricted. So do that. If you don't find an email, then maybe you should log into the Starlink dashboard. Go to starlink.com, click on sign in, log into your account and see if you can find more information as to why your Starlink device is restricted. If you do not find any information and you bought the Starlink device from someone, maybe you don't even have an account, you don't know how to log into your Starlink dashboard, that happens. Reach out to the person you bought it from and tell them, hey, I need to log into my account, or hey, this is the issue I'm having, my Starlink is restricted, and then see how they can help. Always check with your seller, whoever sold it to you. If you bought from Starlink directly, like me, my advice would be to log into your Starlink account on the website and find out what the issue is. And then the final bit, and I also add this a lot, would be to log in to your Starlink account. Once you log in, go to the support section and create a ticket. There is an option there, as long as you're logged in. When you go to starlink.com, you sign in. As long as you're signed in, there is an option to create a ticket. If you create a ticket, you'll be able to actually table your issue before Starlink customer support, and then they will get back to you in a couple of days. It might take a week, it might take less than that, it might take 3 days. I don't work with the support team, so I don't have a definitive answer, for this one, but I am telling you now for a fact that if you reach out to Starlink about an issue you're having, they might be able to actually help you with the issue. If you want to comment under this video, maybe you specifically know why your account is restricted, you want to leave a comment here, try to be as detailed as possible. Don't just say, hey, my Starlink mini kit has been restricted. How can you help me? I don't know how to help you. I need to know why it's restricted. I need more information. So don't just leave a one-line comment. Leave a full comment. Explain what the issue might be so that I can actually take that and also look into it for you. Now, I'm not guaranteeing that I'll be able to help you, but if you explain what is really going on, we might be able to actually look at it together and say, oh, this actually happened because you did not verify your account. Maybe you haven't even logged into your account. So I hope this helps. I'm saying this now because I'm getting a lot of comments from people who are saying their account or Starlink device was restricted. So let me know why your account is restricted here in the comments as much as possible, and let's see how we can help. So that's it. I'll see you guys. Bye.